IoT devices are becoming a part of the mainstream electronics culture, and people are adopting smart devices into their homes faster than ever. It is estimated that there will be up to 21 billion devices connected to the internet by 2020. There is huge potential in IoT at present. In this video, we will discuss what is IoT and its applications, what are the prerequisites for learning IoT, when can students start learning IoT, market trends and projections, salary trends, roles available, skills required and certifications. The concept of a network of small devices was discussed as early as 1982 with the modified Coke vending machine at Carnegie Mellon University becoming the first interconnected appliance able to report its inventory and whether newly loaded drinks were cold or not. The term Internet of Things was likely coined by Kevin Ashton of Procter & Gamble. What is IoT and its applications?
IoT basically stands for Internet of Things, and basically we can say it is an ecosystem where different devices that are having sensors, they are connected to the internet to exchange data between themselves. As I give an example, like we have a mobile phone and we are connecting the mobile phone with our homes, and we can control any devices like refrigerators, like bulbs, fan from anywhere. So this is basically the IoT.
In a nutshell, the Internet of Things is the concept of connecting any device to the internet and to other connected devices. What are the prerequisites for learning IoT?
For learning IoT, there are no basic prerequisites because basically, if you have interest for learning IoT, it's just about the interest. If you have interest, you can learn it easily. But according to my suggestion, if you want to learn IoT, you must have the basic knowledge about the electronics components. And for the programming part, you must have the basic knowledge about the C or Python. You can simply start from that.
When can students start learning IoT?
If I say the time, it's not that much. Like if the students want to learn IoT, they can start as soon as possible because it's a vast field and that they have to work very much on it. So if I say the students can start as soon as possible, and if I go for the components and hardware, they can start with the Arduino and its basic programming that is in C language based. So if you know the basic idea about the C language, they can easily learn from that. For career in IoT, there are different verticals basically in IoT professionals. Like we can say like programming is there, embedded system is there, UI UX design is there, cloud computing is there, network security is there. So there are different verticals. So first of all, they should know that in which vertical they are familiar. So if they are deciding like they are familiar with embedded system or they are familiar with hardware, they can go for the embedded system. But if you know anything about all the verticals, then you will mostly get a high package salary because these verticals are in high demand.
Skills required and certifications.
Certification, if you ask, if you go for the government institute, there is a institute NELIT that stands for National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. So you can do it from there. And if you ask me for the private institute that are also very good course structure, you can go for the Udemy, Coursera, IBM also provide the certifications, LinkedIn Learning also provide the certifications. So these four are basically they are common for the IoT.
The extensive set of applications for IoT devices is often divided into consumer applications, commercial applications, industrial applications, agricultural applications, infrastructure applications, and military applications. Market trends and projections. The Internet of Things IoT market is highly competitive owing to the presence of many large and small players in the market operating in the domestic as well as in the international market. The market appears to be fragmented due to the presence of many technological giants in the market. Key market trends. IoT technology has been enabling retailers across the globe to connect with both businesses and people. This enables retailers to gain insights about product performance and find new ways of customer engagement with both new and existing customer. IoT is also expected to make a huge transformation to various areas like replenishment of goods. Devices like connected fridge can automatically reorder milk, cheese or any other product that is running low are being introduced by major electronics manufacturers like Samsung and LG. Additionally, the use of e-commerce platforms is rapidly increasing owing to the ease of shopping and increasing smartphone penetration in the market, which is likely to boost the market. The increasing need for data analysis and integration of analytics is expected to propel the utilization of the Internet of Things market over the forecast period. Jobs available in the market: IoT developer, UI UX designer, IoT product managers, IoT architect, data scientist in IoT, cloud engineer, industrial engineer, web development engineer, and big data developer. Salaries in IoT versus other domains. On a median, IoT specialists acquire around 76% higher salaries than IT professionals in India. At the same time, as the median salary of IoT specialists stand at 15.2 lakhs, specialists within IT sector get around 8.6 lakh rupees. 16% of IoT experts in India earn inside the earnings bracket of 10 to 25 lakhs. Furthermore, if you have any doubts regarding IoT careers, feel free to ask in the comment section.